How to log in to Chipotle account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Chipotle account in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chipotle app on your phone and now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the sign in button. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to enter your email address on the first field, and after that you need to enter your password on the second field. And now here, once you're done entering your password, you can just click on sign in, and after that you'll be logged in to your Chipotle account. And here, just in case if you forget your password, you can just tap on forget password and follow the on-screen prompts to reset your Chipotle account password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Chipotle account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.